Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, once said, accounting is the language of business. And indeed, in the siphon of businesses, numbers play the leading role. They tell stories, they predict future, and most importantly, they guide with decision making. Buffett, along with other countless astute business people, has always emphasized the power of accounting in steering the ship of business towards its success. Yet, as a seasoned accountant, I've observed a concerning trend. Many small businesses treat accounting like a backseat passenger, only calling upon it when the tax season looms on the horizon. But what if we change that narrative? What if we empower every small business owner to harness the full potential of accounting, not just as a tool of compliance, but as a compass for growth, strategy, and a success for your business? Hi, my name is Molen Nkuz of Brainwave Chartered Accountants. Thank you for joining me in as I dive into the accounting world and demystify its complexities and unlock the full potential that is in it. Every number has a story, and every number can shape the future of your business. Let me start by explaining what accounting is. Accounting is the systematic process of recording, classifying, analyzing, and summarizing and interpreting your financial information. It provides a clear picture of the financial health of an entity, be it an individual, a business, and it actually helps to make informed decisions. Let's quickly explain the key processes of accounting. Number one, recording. This involves keeping systematic record of all your financial transactions in the books of accounts. Every financial activities, from purchase of a product or services to earnings or selling, should be documented. Small business owner needs to understand the importance of recording common transaction in the system that business owns or that they can access. Number two is classifying. Once recorded, transactions are categorized in the appropriate accounts, such as revenue account, expenses account, assets, and even liabilities. Here, all recorded transactions will need to be classified according to their nature. At a regular interval, monthly, quarterly, annually, I prefer monthly, the recorded and classified transactions should be summarized into financial statements or management accounts. These statements provide a snapshot of the financial position and performance of that particular entity. Number three is analyzing. With the help of your accountant, you need to examine the financial statements to understand the financial health of your entity. This involves actually analyzing or assessing your profitability, your liquidity, your solvency, and all other important financial indicators. At Brainmore, although sometimes we face a lot of bit of challenges with other clients that won't have time to listen or understand their financial analysis, but it's embedded in our process that you need to understand your numbers. Number four is interpreting. Based on the analysis, accountants and financial analysts interpret the data to provide the insights to different stakeholders like business owners or creditors in making informed decisions. Number five is your reporting. Accountants prepare financial reports for various stakeholders. These reports sometimes are mandatory or are required by regulatory bodies. They can be for internal use and also a guide for business strategy. It is very important to understand that accounting also adheres to set principles and standards to ensure consistency and comparability. These principles, such as the International Financial Reporting Standards, provide guidelines on how financial transactions should be recorded and be reported. Accounting is often referred to as the language of business because it provides the key information about the entity's financial operation and the health, facilitating better management and decision making. The following are actually the reason why you as a small business, you should keep your accounting records. One, financial health assessment. Accounting provides a clear picture of the business's financial health. By regularly reviewing financial statements, small business owners can identify trends, both positive and negative, in their financial performance and rectify that. Number two is It helps you in making informed decision making. Accurate financial data allows business owners to make informed decisions, whether it's investing in new equipment, hiring staff, or launching even a marketing campaign. Understanding the company's financial position is very crucial before you make those key decisions. Number 3 is budgeting and planning. Accounting helps in forecasting your sales or your revenue and expenses, enabling the business to set budgets and plan for the future. This can be essential for managing the cash flow and ensuring that the business can cover the upcoming expenses. Number 4 is tax compliance, which is very important. Proper accounting ensures that businesses report their income accurately and pay any tax that are due or that you owe the receiver. It also helps in identifying tax deductions and tax credits, ensuring that the business doesn't pay more tax than necessary. Number 5, it helps in securing loans and investments. If a small business seek a loan or outside investors, they need to present accurate financial statements to demonstrate the business's viability and its profitability. Number 6 is managing debts. Accounting helps businesses keep track of their debts and ensures they make payments on time. This is crucial for maintaining good relationships with creditors and avoiding unnecessary interests and penalties. Number 7, it helps tracking receivables. For many small businesses, cash flow is a significant concern. Proper accounting ensures that businesses can track which customers owe their money and how much, and do necessary actions toward that. Number 8, identifying cost-saving opportunities. Remember, when you regularly review your financial or do your financial analysis, this can help businesses identify opportunities to reduce costs and improve their profitability. Number 9, it's a regulatory compliance. Depending on your jurisdiction and the industry, small business might be required to maintain specific financial records and submit regular reports. Proper accounting ensures compliance with the regulations. South African Companies Act requires companies to maintain or retain such information for more than 7 years. It also, number 10, builds trust. Transparent and accurate financial reporting builds trust with customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders. It shows that the business is being run professionally and responsibly. Number 11, it prevents fraud. Proper accounting systems can help in detecting discrepancies and potential fraud. This is especially important as businesses grow and have more employees handling the company's finance. In conclusion, today we have navigated the intricate pathways of accounting, understanding its profound impact on the world of business. Remember, while numbers might seem daunting, at first, they are actually important for your business. It brings insights and guidance and give you a proper picture of the health of the business. As Warren Buffett wisely pointed out, accounting truly is the language of business. So let's commit not to just speaking the language during tax season, but making it a daily commitment. Embrace the numbers. Listen to its story, and so that you know what the story your accounting say. Here is to making every number count. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share, comment, and hit that notification button so that you don't miss out on this important content that we share on this platform. Bye.